AI tools that actually save you time every day. If AI hasn't helped you yet, you're using the wrong tools. Most AI tools promise a lot, but don't deliver. Today, I'm sharing AI tools that actually save time, even for beginners. Tool 1. Chat. ChatGPT helps you think, write, and plan faster. From emails to scripts, it turns hours of thinking into minutes. Tool 2. Canva AI. Canva AI designs thumbnails, posts, and presentations instantly. You don't start from scratch. AI does the heavy work. Tool 3. Perplexity AI. Perplexity gives fast, clear answers with sources. Perfect for research without wasting time scrolling. Tool 4. CapCut AI. CapCut AI edits videos automatically. Captions, effects, and timing, done in minutes. AI only helps if you use the right tools. Subscribe to AI Made Simple to stop wasting time and start working smarter.